Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the option System and Update. Then let's tap on Language and Region, and here tap on this option Edit. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find your language and then tap on this plus icon next to it. So let me pick Greek, just tap on this plus icon, and then your device will immediately ask you whether you'd like to set your new language as a default one. So just tap on yes. And now, after getting back to the top or getting back to the previous page, you can see that from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, like I've got the Greek and English language, all you have to do is to tap on the specific language and then tap on change. Simply tap on confirm, so the first option, and as you can see we've got English set. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on edit and tap on this minus icon next to the specific language, and now we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.